Hello everyone. My name is Sivam Kumar. I'm a final year student in NIT Agartala, and I have been preparing for my placements and the placement interviews, group discussions, and I keep posting things related to placements preparation. Right. In this video, what I'm going to do is I'll explain that how to when the interviewer asks you about your project, your data analyst project. So how to explain your project, right? So the first and foremost thing is you do not only have to tell them the technologies or the tech stack which you have used, right? You have to follow a process in which you'll have to explain first start with the problem statement that what was the problem statement you were solving, right? So start with the problem statement. You have to mention the impact or the solution, the results which you got. What is the impact of that result? Again, anyone will say that I know this, that I have to start with problem statement. I have to tell them tech stack. I have to, tell them the results and how it will impact. But the important part here is in an interview, and especially for data analyst interviews, they not only see that how are you, like what are the things you are including in your explanation. The storytelling is important as well, and what I mean to say is that you have to make it a bit exciting. And even when you will become data analyst, you will have to explain to the marketing team, to the HR CEO, the results which you have got, or the dashboards and all. So you'll have to make it a bit spicy and interesting, and that is done through storytelling skills. So you'll have to build this skill that how to tell the same thing in a better way, right? Like in story. So yeah, so this was the basic which you need to follow, that you should know what is the problem statement, then tell them about the technologies, and tell them about the results and how it will impact, and do it uh, you know like like uh, like you are explaining a story to someone, right? To be very clear and to summarize, there are three steps which you need to follow. I will be explaining each step. The step one is start with the problem state. So you have to tell them that they will generally ask that, have you done any project? So you'll say that, yes, sir, I have done a project and I recently completed one project. And then start with the problem statement. Tell them the name of the project and then start with the problem statement. What I mean is that, uh, for example, if you are recently a lot of layoff, you must have heard about TCS layoff, or you like many companies are laying off their employees. So you can start with the story or the news that these companies are laying off, and then uh, explain this problems or problem statement, and then start with your project, that what your project aim to, and then all the technologies and where it is used. For example, if you have used SQL or Power BI for data cleaning, data manipulation, data visualization, if you have used DAX formulas, right? uh, so you have to explain each one of these things in short. Explain everything, but all things are in short. What I mean is that if you have done data cleaning, tell them that you have done data cleaning using this. Then, like if you have made dashboards or using Power BI, a lot of charts you have used. Tell them all these things in brief, and then move to the next part, which is the third step, and that is explain then the result, or the what are the findings you got. For example, through the data, through the analysis, found out that the reason of the layoff is AI, or maybe the companies are more futuristic and they are they are planning their future. These all could be the reason. Yes, so then explain the results or the findings you got during your analysis. And I think that is it. This will be enough if you follow this. I think you'll be able to clear the interview. Then comes the example part. So like you need to practice as well, and you need to watch that how to do the explanation. So I'll be doing I'll be explaining two of my projects in next two videos, and that will definitely help you in if you are preparing for data analyst interview. You can watch a lot of more videos if it is available on YouTube. I was not able to find any other video. That's why I decided to make this video. I found a girl video and that inspired me actually. So yeah, that was all about this video. We'll see in like I'll see you in next video, and in those next videos I'll be explaining two of my projects. So thank you everyone.